somebody crashed.
Hey, you're a genius.
Not yet. Now I need the Yeah, I need the clock now.
I thought the wings would stick on the other side of that flat bar.
Oh, I would have done. Yeah, because now the wire's gone, we could have actually used the wire. This is probably the only time that wire would have been useful.
Needs a big lump of some gooey substance on the end, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Piece of slime or something.
Big bend, but the problem is, I don't know who put the bend in it, but that was rather disrespectful for the people who owned it, wasn't it? And now that the wire's gone.
You get that from a swimming pool.
Well, from fishing rod shops, you can get those, like young Mike's got scoop poles.
We
I've got
really,
squid poles at home. I use for antennas, but they're not flexible.
we really need to sort of find out what one of those poles cost and put in for it.
Yeah, normally $1 or two.
Yeah, because
Just a big pile of dirt with a loop on the end.
Yeah, I would.
You just get right back here with it.
I've got a 6 metre and a 9 metre.
I don't know who put the bend in it, but
Probably frickin' squash courts.
squash courts, you reckon?
Yeah, because they keep nicking it to try and get stuff. They were
they
taking
want to
it.
put the
Yeah.
wire on
Yep.
it. Okay.
It's up there.
If we bought our own, what would we would have to store it somewhere safe away from the.
Yeah. I'm sure we can.
Oh, I can put it in the car.
Yeah.
Someone's actually trying to use this yesterday to pull the rings out.
Oh, you're kidding.
You shouldn't be putting poles near rings.
They're the same people that probably do that.
That was soccer and archery that decided they'd tie it to the door. They tied it that tight we couldn't undo it.
Make them, charge them for it.
Yep.
Just don't get the wind coming back onto it. Giving advice, promote spot.
You're on your way to your fire.
Yeah.
Oh, it's such a monster. Yes.
Oh, something.
I think the nose might be.
Giving you profits.
I think the advice should have been that little bit. Don't go for it.
Yeah, don't.
You need to try and pull it lower.
Down. Away from that power point.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm aware of the power pole.
Look at that.
Oh, stuck on something.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Fuck, beautiful.
Right, I'll leave it like that.
Well, hopefully we won't have any more incidents.
Thank you so much for that.
Are you likely to go flat out into the...
No, I won't.
Not after that one.
It's had the... yeah, it's had the...
Yeah.
So where do we go for one of these?
I'll put it in the cupboard.
While you're here,
You won't do that again.
Well, maybe not today.